Have you ever been so weary you felt like giving up? So broken you didn't want to get out of bed? God sees that. He doesn't shout from the heavens, He stoops to carry. He doesn't abandon the weak, He walks with them. The Lord your God carried you as a father carries his son. Deuteronomy chapter 1 verse 31. Even to your old age and gray hairs, I am He. I will sustain you and rescue you. Isaiah chapter 46 verse 4. He carried you through storms you didn't even see, and He's still carrying you now. Have you ever felt carried by God through a hard season? Share a short testimony in the comments. Someone needs to know they are not alone. Let go and rest in the arms of your Father.